Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, be grateful for today. We can meet again in this special occasion because today we are going to have English debate, Android versus iOS. So be grateful for everything we have today by saying Alhamdulillah and never forget to deliver salawat and greeting for our Prophet Muhammad SAW. Okay, audience, viewers, today we are going to debate the two famous, what we call it, OS, operating system. Is it correct? So, operating system. On my right side, they are Android team. They are Android debater. And from my left side, there are iOS or iOS debater. So the rule is, from right side, they will give an argument. And then for the left side, they will ask a question and then you guys will have debate. Please raise your hand by the time you want to utter or you want to say your arguments. Okay, debaters, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so let's come for the first speaker. I would like to give the golden time for my right side team. It's Android team. Okay, the first speaker, the time is yours.
Ada argumen. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, here.
Yeah.
So I think why Android is better than iOS. First, we know that Google, the giant industry at the internet, is supporting Android. So there is so much feature in Google that Android can do. And the other is Android have more variants, have more types. So from Android we give more choice to the customer. We give more choice to the client. So give the freedom to choose. That's why Android is better than iOS. Meanwhile iOS only on Apple. Only Apple, iPhone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and any other. It's so boring. Meanwhile Android we have so much. We have Sony, Huawei, Asus and any other than iPhone. We have it.
Alright.
So that's my first argument.
Okay.
Next. Akhir.
So,
You first. Deva.
okay.
Okay, bro. I just want to give the advantage information of Android. So for the first, we know the Android has a big battery, different with iOS. iOS has low battery, right? iOS low battery, bro. And I think Android it will be easier for all people now because we can do the job and it will be easier lah for me, for all people now. And then for the second argument is we know like Kamal said that Android has Google, is default application, right? Default application. But iOS has not default application. You have to download. I think it will be. It's not worth it for. I think take a long time, bro. So Android is better. And then for the last, if you have a iOS like Apple, and then your Apple is fall in floor, your Apple will be cracked. Your Apple will be cracked. Different with Android. Android can crack, right? And then that's all for me.
Okay. So, from Android, do you have another speaker for standing for your arguments?
Continue.
Just argument.
Okay, I want delivery my argument. Deliver my argument. Android user in 2020 reached 64 billion. Koma apa cuy? Poin. Hah? 6.4 billion, while iOS user only reached 1.23 billion. Okay.
I will give my argument.
I will give my argument. Data from International Data Corporation IDC showing that Android dominate 82.8% in phone market, while iOS only have 13.9% of the phone market. Maybe enough.
Amir,
Next.
One more.
Argument.
You.
Arigo boy.
You. In this era, iPhone is considered as a expensive phone. Meanwhile, Android have more phone. Meanwhile, Android have more phone with a lot of advanced and advances apa sih? And less deficiency. I think enough.
So,
Maybe enough.
Okay, enough.
Yes.
So we have 4 arguments, yeah, from the first team, from Android team. So now it's time for iOS team for delivering their argument, for saying their arguments. Okay, the time is yours.
The first argument, it's rare for the iOS operating system to experience lags and crashes when used, unlike Android, which has many variants with different specification. So it does not guarantee whether the application and game is stable when playing.
and for the second argument, iPhone have a simple and elegant interface, so you can use it even you are never using iPhone, because like in Android you have so many different interface, and it's maybe make you confused, or like there are some of the interface is ugly, and for the next one is privacy and security, because of iPhone made their own operating system. It makes iPhone is more privately and more secure, and that's why it's so rare that iPhone user get hacked or get crashed or something. Some bad things happen with iPhone. It's just rare. And the next one is powerful storage media. Why I'm saying powerful storage media? Because iPhone have a high quality of photo of a picture. So if you like shot on iPhone, that video is taken by an iPhone, and it's so good, with a good quality, with a good FPS, not like 30 FPS, no, it's 60 more, and yeah, maybe that's for me. Next, Ravi.
Okay, the next argument for me is iOS advantage support multi-language and multi-stacking iOS users on iPhone device. It is possible to choose many language options. They support around 21 languages, including Chinese, Spanish, Indonesian, Portuguese, and more. Another advantage that iOS has is multi-stacking. This superiority makes users can perform multiple tasks at once without any applications crash or errors. So, next arguments.
Okay, next argument for me is that the iOS have innovative design, OS, UI, UX, and features. So, iPhone is a revolutionary and visionary system. So, they every year they launch update to their iOS. Like example, the AirPods system in iPhone, in iOS, if we open the AirPods hatch, you know, like the buka tutup, ya itu. The iPhone icon, the AirPods icon will appear in the iOS. But in Android, you have to pair Bluetooth. That is old, man. That is ancient. No. Yes. So that what I say. iOS is revolutionary and visionary. And then, oh yeah, iPhone doesn't have many bloatware to fill system storage and to prepare the system. So you know, the Android like Vivo, Oppo, Samsung, Xiaomi, Poco have many bloatwares that fill the storage and prepare the system process, and not forget to eating many RAM. So that is the Android disadvantage. So iPhone doesn't have that many bloatware as many as the Android. So iPhone is more faster and more smooth than the Android, because of the bloatware is not many as the Android. Android is so many bloatware and eating RAMs. So that's why Android is so Android, if you use Android 2 years or 3 years, it will soak. Soak is broken, like broken hurt. It will broke. What different with Android? What different? But different with iOS. iOS is like 6 year is still
In a good
yes, is in a good shape. Yes, is in a good shape. Ya paling minus ini aja, minus goresan dikit ya. Tergantung yang pakai. Okay, the next argument from Atif.
And next, my argument is iOS has a good build quality and design, and iOS or iPhone has a smooth and fast performance, and the iPhone camera is better than Android, and the selling price of used iPhone is high. I think that's all.
Okay, well, thank you for the second team from iOS for delivering their arguments, for standing for their opinion. Yeah. So I think now I would like to give a chance for yes, because we had the first presenter for Android. So I think now we can give the time a question from iOS team. Give the question for Android team.
So we give the question.
Yeah. From the argument they uttered, you can give the question from there.
Okay. It's only one question. Or?
Okay. One question.
So you say that Android is open vendor. So what about the security? Is it clear or safe? Because Android is open vendor and there is a lot of hacker going around freely, and they invincible. Like nothing can stop him, because you open vendor and it's make a change for hacker, or makes a big hole for hacker to doing their job.
Okay. Well, so that's the question from Mr. Fawas in iOS team. So now I would like to give the time for Android, to answer the question.
Question.
Come on.
Question or answer nih?
Come on.
Answer.
What?
Answer or I give question.
Answer directly.
Answer. Beatbox.
It's okay.
Together answer boy. Answer.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Rahil.
Security ya.
Yeah, security.
Open vendor. So you say that open vendor OS mean that the operation system is weak in the security.
Yeah, they said that. Open vendor means that, or we can keep the answer. We can keep the question, yeah. How?
Answer first lah.
Yeah.
Answer.
Would you like to answer it, Jared?
Wait.
Do you have any opinion to reply the question, to answer it?
Security. Wait. Gak mau jawab topik. Nggak, I think open vendor security will be more powerful. Because why?
Yes.
Android from the first time Android decided to be a open vendor operation system.
Yes, I agree.
It means that they already prepare all the security to the open vendor. It means they more complicated and more canggih what we say?
Sophisticated.
More sophisticated.
Sophisticated.
While iOS only prepare for
Sophisticated.
Apple device,
Yeah.
we prepare for every device, every vendor.
Permission to speak.
Wait. So it means Android already prepare for that. That's it.
Okay, that's your answer.
Yes, that's my answer.
Okay, well done. Thank you.
And is it guaranteed that hacker cannot hack the iOS device? No. Wait. Having security system doesn't guarantee that iOS cannot be hacked.
Yeah.
You say hacker is everywhere, so hacker can be at iOS also. Not only at Android.
All right.
They have Android hacker, iOS hacker also.
Yes.
So it not depends on the operation system.
Yeah.
Okay, well done. That's enough, Kamal?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, well done. Very good answer. How about that? The answer. With iOS team? Is it clear answer for you? No debate for that.
Yes.
No.
So you said that the iOS have.
Wait.
So you said that the iOS have hacker too? Yes. I don't bantah. Membantah. I don't deny that, but as you can see, iOS have more safer security than Android. So if you look, Android has more getting hacked cases than iOS. Because of that vulnerable operating system Android have. So I mean that the iPhone have lower cases of getting hacked than Android. Yes.
So where do you get that information?
Wait a second.
Permission to speak, sir.
Okay, wait a second. Okay. So they reply for your answer, Mr. Kamal from Android.
Yes, I have.
How about that?
So where do you get that statistic? Do you have already met the Android hacker or something?
What is this? What is this, man? Android be the
26, bro.
26. What is 26?
20 and 16, bro.
What is 26? 26. What are you talking about?
Bro.
Where?
The past time,
2016,
Yeah, now 20, 22,
Now it's
bro.
different. Now it's different.
See.
Past time.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah. But now what? Is Android have better firewall or better better security than the iOS? No. No.
Iya, ini dari tadi ngomong. Mr. Aldi. Mr. Aldi Duffy. Well,
What?
How about the statistic? We saw that that's 2016, guys.
Enggak itu tanggal mana?
Yeah. What is your argument about that? The microphone, please. Microphone, right?
Sorry. Okay, jadi so Apple have okay. So Apple have a deficiency like less flexibility. So Apple doesn't allow the owners of its device to modify its iOS operating system or custom ROMs to be loaded on their device. And then Apple iOS a less tempting target because the iOS operating system power fewer mobile device. Hacker don't target the system as often. This makes sense. Hackers and cyber criminals can ensure more victims if they focus more of their attacks on the more popular Android operating system. That's all.
So, well done.
Can you repeat lagi?
So Rahil answered the statement of Duffy. Am I correct?
Yes.
Did you answer the statement of Duffy? What Duffy said?
Hello.
So how about that, Duffy? And iOS tip.
Please answer for me.
Is it clear information?
Lu tadi dengar kan? Iya. Repeat.
No.
What's the point? What's the point? Did you answer about
I think-
security? Yeah.
So I think the
You guys
point.
discussed about the
Oh
security.
yes.
Yeah.
So I think Rahil point is why Android is hacked more because it says that iOS is not an interesting hack target. So I think the hackers is more interested in iOS.
That makes Android bad.
No, Android have more resources. We have more resources than iOS. That's why we more interesting. We have more resources, so we have more case.
Yeah.
And more case will make Android stronger. So we can improve more. We have more resources. So
He's deep, Mister.
we
Yeah.
He's deep.
The point is Android is getting hacked, and it's clearly often that Android getting hacked because it's hacker like the Android rather than iOS
have even
because
hacker like Android, not iOS.
because
Android better.
no, for a target. If iOS
Better.
if Android
Better.
hacker things like if you can beat the weak one, why you have to targeting the strongest one? So that's why Android is the target of hacker, not iOS.
Hey, you say hacker interested in Android and you say it's good? You say your phone getting hacked is good? What the hell?
No, I think
No.
no. The point I think the point
is
is
not like that.
the point is I know hacker is. Do we agree hacker is expert? Hacker is expert or not? I think yes they are. The hacker is an expert in system. I think in information of technology. So hacker know which is better. Like we. Bentar, kasih gambaran susah nih.
Yeah.
If we we want to search gambaran bentar.
Picture.
Enggak, we imagine in front of you there is 2 million of money and 1 million of money.
Okay.
A smart person will choose the 2 million of money, the more resource that exists. So I think that is what hacker thinks. They think that Android have more resources. Android have more interesting thing. So that's why even the expert in information of technology choose
Can
Android.
you give me some example of that interesting thing that you say?
interesting thing. Ini mulu. This. Let me just explain about technology. So about technology, Android have the first waterproof phone in 2008. That is Sony Xperia Z. Meanwhile, iPhone they just have it in 2016 in iPhone 7. It means which one find the technology first? Android.
Yeah, but
Again, right now we have wireless charging.
but iOS
I'm not sure iPhone has
is
that.
the first OS in this world. It's out 2007, I think. Wait.
Yes, you say Android have the system create the system first. But we look at the cases, man, not the making, but the result.
Show them.
35% of Android phone is getting hacked. Is vulnerable for getting hacked. It's in 2022.
Show them, salah.
Okay, another debater. Okay, yeah. So about security, can we talk about security more than this, or just enough? I think you guys, you have your own argument about this. Can you make it clear for the security?
When iPhone apa? Make it iOS make it.
For
Yes.
the initial release, it's July 29, 2007. You can see it at defend.com. 2007.
It says in Britannica.com that Android began in 2003 as a project of the American technology company Android Inc. So it's clear that your theory that iOS first is wrong, because here it says that Android began in 2003, as you can see. Sir,
Yeah.
they developed first. That's it.
All right.
Is it done? Continue question.
Okay. Yes, I think that's done. That's enough. That's enough for the first question. Yeah. Android and iOS. Okay. I think now we have very limited time. I would like to give Android team for give a question for iOS.
So you said that you love iPhone, you like iPhone, and you adore that iPhone is better than anything.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
so one question from me, why do you use Android now? Why there is no iOS user in this class? Nobody use iOS, right? Nobody use iOS, right? In here, right?
Because no money, man. Yes. Because no money.
If you-
Indonesian people problem. We have
No,
no money to buy the good product. That's why we use Android. That's why we use Windows, not the Apple, not the MacBook. But I have this Legion.
Gak dambok Otot-otot ya, otot-otot lagi ya.
Okay. Good question from Java. How about that? Is there any answer? Any other answer besides money? Financial problem.
Money.
Okay. The microphone, please.
Money.
Coba minta jawaban. Jawaban tadi kenapa nggak ada yang pakai? You asked that why we are not using iOS, because first we are TKJ. I know maybe now for TKJ or network engineer is better using iOS because iOS is better. But why I bought this laptop, because in the past, like 1 year ago, my father thought this will good for networking. So that's why I bought this laptop. But used to it, my father thinking about buying the MacBook. So it's just matter of time and money. If you have enough money and good economy, you can buy the good one. Why do you want the Android? The quality of Android is lower than iPhone than iOS. Like we all know, iOS is better than Android, and we all want to use iOS. But the problem is there is no money to buy that. Yeah, maybe that's all for my answer.
Okay, right. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me. Well, guys, I'm afraid that the time is running out.
No.
Yeah. That. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so
Lanjut. Mau dibantai lagi.
yeah. I'm afraid that the time is up. Yeah, because we have to prepare about this English debate. So we have only 30 minutes, around 30 minutes for having this English debate. So I hope it can be continued tomorrow, or yeah, or it will be the last session for this English debate. So I would like to say thank you very much for Android version and iOS version. We know that this time is too short, but never mind. I got the point, and you guys did really good debate. You can stand for your argument and very strong with your argument. That's good. That's good thing. So thank you very much for today. Let's end our English debate by reciting Kafaratul Majlis Prayer. Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Would you like to turn off the camera?